Hey, buddy. Okay, bring it with you. Come on, let's go downstairs. We got to get ready to go? Okay. Oh, no, we're not going to Auntie Pooh's house. She lives too far away. Oh, she's so sweet. Do you hear Cam? I don't know if you can see me. Yeah, we got a car full.
Hey, Kennedy.
Cameron's playing on her iPad. Caleb is looking out the window. We are headed to Fort Worth to watch Keenan play. They're playing TCU, so this is a must-win game, y'all. This is like very important because both of these are some NCAA tournament bubble teams, and we really need this win. So y'all throw up some prayers, even though by the time y'all see this,
you want to learn about the robot?
By the time y'all see this, the game will already be over. But y'all keep us in y'all prayers, okay? We lost, but my baby played hard. I'm sad, real sad, but it is what it is. Who knows? There's always hope. We got several more games, but we're gonna have to win. We're gonna have to pull off dang near a miracle, but man, that hurt. But it is what it is. So we played a hell of a game, but a couple free throws. A different outcome, so sucks to suck. Kenny. Go, Cam. This is the most excited they've been all night. Caleb just kept asking, is it over yet? Is it to 0? Want to go see my baby, give him a hug, and go home. Hey, Mama. Hey, Caleb.
Hi.
You having a good day? Say good morning.
Good morning. I have a watch playing about Keenan playing TCU.
Oh, you did? You went to watch him play TCU yesterday? Okay.
Hi, Mommy. There he is.
Oh. No, you already have panties on. Cam.
Hey?
Yeah. Oh, Cookie Monster?
Yeah, he eats cookies.
Yeah, he eats cookies.
Cookie Monster was a cookie. Boy was a cookie. Too. Larry was a cookie.
Okay. You messing with the letters?
Mama, we're just trying to drive. But Ken's want to get ready.
Why are y'all pushing around on my hair dryer?
Because
Why are you doing that on my hair dryer?
Cameron, my turn.
You're flying?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. She's flying, y'all, and I woke up like this. Oh, buddy, you're gonna scratch up the floor, okay? You playing on your bike, Cam? Yeah, let's not do that, okay? Oh, go girl. Let Cameron by, Caleb. Are you serious? Go, Cam. Woohoo! You're gonna get really good. Woo, you're gliding. Woo. Dude, what are you doing? What are you doing? Cameron can play with your letters. She wants to be smart too, okay? She has to learn to read too, okay?
Cameron is something, but Cameron is like my letters.
Okay, they're not just your letters. They're your letters and Cameron letters, okay?
I will learn it at your hair dryer.
Okay, thank you. Come on, let's go. Come on.
Okay. I'm gonna get the letter C and your hair dryer.
Why is Daddy's shoes?
Cameron just stopped.
Cameron wants to learn her letters as well. So you have to share.
Oh boy.
Okay, let me see someone spell.
Oh,
Oh, good job. Hey guys, so it is Wednesday, February 8th? Shit, I don't know. It is Wednesday, and yesterday we went to see Keenan play at TCU, and we lost, y'all. We lost by a point, but I'm still emotional. But we're on our way to see Rasay play. They're playing at TCU as well, so we're gonna go cheer for her. And then hopefully I leave with a smile on my face today, but I don't know. I don't even know if TCU girls good. Anybody know if TCU girls good? We don't know. We just gonna go and cheer. So I'll give you some footage on the inside.